Welcome to my channel. My name is Bridget and I am here to answer all of your art questions to give you the confidence you need to make the artwork of your dreams. In today's video, we're drawing kittens! Make sure you have a pencil, a couple of shading sticks, an eraser, and a sharpener. Let's get to it! I start by drawing basic shapes. The basic shapes of a cat are circles for the face and snout and triangles for the ears. I draw a T shape in the center to help guide where I put the nose and eyes. Make sure to draw everything lightly so that you can erase it later. Once I'm happy with where everything is, I start adding in the details. I erase the guiding lines and start making upward ticks to indicate small hairs and capture Fred's fluffiness. I continue to fill in the rest of the darker hair with longer ticks. I'm working my way from top to bottom, that way I don't smudge any of my work. I erased where I had the eyes originally and I redrew them closer to the snout. This is why it's good to draw lightly, and it's okay if you make a mistake. You grow in your ability to draw what you see the more you practice. I'm using a shading stick to blend the inside of the ear. This gives a different texture, helping convince the eye that the cat is real. I clean up any edges with my pencil. A smaller shading stick will get into smaller areas and make things appear darker than if you used a bigger shading stick. I'm using a sharp, clean corner of my eraser to create white hairs in the ear, defining them further with my pencil. I noticed that Fred's eyes are slightly open, and this also gives more depth to his face. Once I erased the guiding lines on his snout, I noticed that I drew his nose too far up. Thankfully, I can change this since I haven't added any detail. You can always change a pencil drawing, but I'm glad I didn't have to erase something that I had worked hard on. Make sure you are always really looking closely at your reference photo. It helps to look away from it sometimes and then look at it again with fresh eyes. This goes for both your reference photo and your drawing. I'm using little ticks placed sporadically throughout Fred's white hair. I'm not filling in his white hair part entirely by any means. Just a few ticks are enough to convince the eye that he is fluffy. The direction of your ticks should follow the direction of the hair. If the hair is sticking up, make sure the lines are vertical. And if the hair is laying flat, make your lines horizontal. That's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like, leave a comment, and tag me on Instagram if you decide to make this drawing. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. Thanks for watching!